Hey guys, today I'll show you how to change your Roblox age even if you are a user under the age of 13. Now, before we move to the next step, kindly note that to successfully change your birth date, you might need to do ID verification and parental consent later. After getting this message, kindly go to your mail with the requirements I talked about earlier and you should successfully change your birth date. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.